Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get your Revolut referral bonus. Right, so the first thing you need to do is share your unique referral link. Okay, so open your Revolut app and then tap the refer button to generate your personalized invite link. Share it directly through the app via text, email, social media, anywhere you want to send it. You can even copy the link. Your invitee must then create a new Revolut personal account using your specific link and complete a full KYC verification process with a valid identification document. The new user must then fund their account from an external source like a bank card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even a direct transfer, and there's no minimum deposit required. Your friend must then request a physical Revolut card through the app, and you note just that the delivery fees or card fees may apply depending on the card type selection. The invitee must then make the specified number of genuine purchases using the Revolut card or the virtual or physical sense, and this is going to then have to meet the minimum amount outlined in your referral terms. Some things to remember: only new Revolut personal accounts will qualify. Business or joint accounts don't count. Gambling, gift card purchases, and money transfers are excluded from qualifying transactions. Referral rewards vary by campaign and are paid in your base currency. And then there's time limits and referral caps that apply based on your current campaign terms. You can actually track your progress and monitor your referral status as well as your earning potential through the rewards tab in your Revolut app. Here you'll find your current campaign terms, your remaining slots, and completion progress for each invited friend.